Alrighty, what's up guys? Another day, another sneaker pickup. This one is incredible. You've probably seen in the title already, and I'm just gonna cut straight to the chase. I got this pair of Air Max 95s for a steal at $15. Showing off the sticker there, 15 bucks. This isn't clickbait. This is an absolutely crazy pickup. Really excited about it. As soon as I got home, I just took off my coat and straight to filming these. So we'll talk about it as the video progresses, but before we get into it, be sure to follow me on Instagram at StuffDylanLikes. I'm usually quick to share these things, unlike these uploads that, could sit in the queue for a long time. So hopefully this video surfaces ASAP, but if not, the best way to keep up with me is on Instagram. Really quickly too, I've been selling off a lot of things to make room for purchases like this, so be sure to check me out at StuffDylanSells on Instagram, and then I'll also have my eBay page linked in the description, as I've been moving a lot of old things in the collection, again, to make room for steals and deals like this one. So I love me a nice retro runner, and this is perfect for the rotation, especially at 15 bucks, you can't beat it. So just some quick information about the sneaker before I go into story time here. These came out last year in 2020. I can't remember the exact date, but they seemingly did sell out everywhere. I think Air Max 95s are pretty quick to move on the shelves depending on the colorway. And this specific colorway is dubbed as the pink foam. I think what makes this colorway so attractive is that it takes on sort of an OG color blocking, and by that, it's the gradient upward. So I have a pair of the neon Air Max 95s from 2010, and they recently retroed those as well. And you'll notice the stacks up are very identical to that OG neon pair. So really the difference between these and the OG color is the pink. So you get your hits of pink at this eye stay, the swoosh, the air bubble. It's all in that light pink, which is an awesome color. It's a nice nude, neutral tone. You get your hits there, pink at the bottom, your Air Max 95 traction pattern. Typically, I believe it has like their the specs here, but these look to be blank. It's a very clean GR colorway. The quality of materials itself are all right. It's a retro runner after all, so these aren't anything like New Balance made in USA suede quality. Rather, it's like more felty, more synthetic, traditional Nike sportswear stuff, which I mean is fine, especially at $15. And seeing the resale market now, seeing these over 200 bucks, I don't know if I'd pay 200 bucks for them. Just given the overall quality and makeup, I'm not crazy about them, but again, at $15, slightly worn, definitely worth it. So as for story time, I want to shout out Elite Kicks here in Hoboken. They're a local sneaker store by us, and I just so happened to be at the right place at the right time. I typically spend my time working from home these days, and I was just scrolling on Instagram and saw these posted up. I'll have the screenshot here. It was within 5 minutes of them listing them. So I grabbed my coat, grabbed my keys, grabbed my mask, threw on some 95s to be tasteful, and ran out and got these things. I pretty much sprinted there, and they had them. So cool shop over there, great folks. They're always having some crazy steals and deals, along with traditional buy, sell, trade stuff that you'd see at any other shop. So big ups to them for sure. For the steal, again, for 15 bucks, you can't beat it. I've picked up a few other sneakers from them in the past. I'm not sure if you guys have seen them in the videos yet. I'm not sure if I've uploaded them. If you guys know me at this point, I'm very meticulous about my sneaker care and sneaker cleaning. And at this point, I've probably overlaid some clips of all the different things that I'm gonna do to make these look a lot better. These will be a good pair of door side beaters. And one thing to note too, I pointed this out to a few of you guys on Instagram that replied saying, how'd you get that deal? How'd you do that? A lot of it is just timing and being at the right place at the right time and being super lucky. Do your research if there are local sneaker stores near you. Hit them up, show your face, build a relationship with them. Turn on post notifications as well. As annoying as the notifications can be sometimes, it's worked out in instances like this. You see things at the right time and you just jump on them. Another thing that was brought up too is, am I gonna resell these or flip these? Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I've been selling off a lot in the collection. Some for profit, some for a loss. Doesn't really matter to me because I'm a collector by nature and I just like to have these things. And when I grow tired of them or when I think it's time to move on, I'm quick to move things. So in a case like this, I think I'm gonna wear them around a little bit. You guys keep up with me on social, you'll see what the fate of these is. But for now, definitely gonna enjoy them, gonna clean them up and wear them a ton. And I think that's a good way of closing out the video. If you guys like content like this, do let me know, drop a comment. Be sure to run up the like button, subscribe, all that usual stuff. Again, follow me on social for like the 5th time now. And with that, we'll close out. Appreciate you guys for watching as always, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.